3,000 subscribers, 3.000 de abonați. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, I just want to say thank you to all the people out there who support Romanian Hub and who have subscribed, watched our videos, learned Romanian through our videos, and commented in the comment section of each video. This channel has over 400 Romanian language lessons on different topics from Romanian culture to Romanian grammar. There are actually 33 playlists grouping all these videos in several topics. So today, I just want to remind you what these playlists are, and if you hear something that you might be interested in, go to the playlist button, find the playlist, and enjoy watching these videos. Now, the playlists are as follows, with the ones that have had the most recent updates first. Here we go. We have top 10 facts. We have videos about Romanian geography, Romanian grammar, Taiwan vlog, Romanian music, China vlog, Tricolorul Călător, Romanian language vocabulary, Duolingo tutorials, how to pronounce videos, Romanian Hub vlogs, Romanian alphabet lessons, Romanian language lessons, Romanian names, Thailand vlog, learn Romanian vlog, listening practice, reading Mircea Eliade, Romanian chat, flip chart lessons, Romanian proverbs and sayings, telling the time, Arcaș Român în Thailanda, Romanian conversations, India vlogs, Romanian travel guides, wannabe polyglots, reading lessons, Romanian history, Romanian poetry, Romanian numbers, Romanian bloopers, Romanian phonics. As you can see, we have a whole variety of Romanian language lessons for you. So enjoy them, study Romanian as much as you want, as hard as you want using these videos. Once again, thank you for your support. Thank you for the 3,000 subscribers. It's just amazing that we reached this point. Until next time, this is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing. Ciao.